Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to open a PayPal Cash account and receive money on it instantly. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first step is to obviously go to Google and then type PayPal and create account. And then once you search that, just click on sign up for PayPal and choose a personal account and then add your informations like your name and then your phone number, your residency address, and you can link a card. This is optional at the beginning, but you can also add it in later in the process when you are logged into your account. And that leads me to my second point, which is linking a card to add some money to your account. So here, if you don't have any card that is linked to your account, or if you wanted to add a card, you can just go to the card section here and click on link a card. Then you will just have to enter your card's number and then the type of card, etc. And just wait for the confirmation of PayPal. It takes about 15 minutes. They send some money on your bank account, and then you will have to enter the code with the money that has been sent to your bank account. And that's it. Now, another thing you can do is to go to send, because I'm giving you the other option because I think this cards thing here is the most known one and everybody knows of it actually. So another option you have is to go to the send button right here and then request money from yourself. And to explain this a little bit easier, you will just request payments from yourself from another email address and pay without a PayPal account basically. So here, go on request payment from and then type your email. It should be your second email. So here, for example, I have two emails or more than two. It's just for testing purposes. So I have this email which my PayPal account is linked to, and then this one. So here, let's go to request from this one, and then click on next. And then here for the amount, let's type $50, and for the note, let's say tutorial one, and then go on request now. Okay, so now once you have requested $50 from yourself, just go to Gmail and then search for the PayPal mail that will tell you that you have been requested some money. So here I still didn't receive it. This is an old one. So I'll just refresh it and wait for the email to appear. So here, as you can see, I have a new one. You've got a money request for $50 from Ben Sultan Zek, which is myself. So click on pay now here, and then you will have to sign in or to pay without a PayPal account. And this is the whole point of this tutorial, is to pay without a PayPal account. So click on pay without a PayPal account here. You will just have to enter your credit card info and then fill in your country and region, and then click on link a card, and that's it. You'll be able to add money to your PayPal account this easily. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.